Each year, what Mother Nature dishes out here becomes so much about the resulting wines.
You can have a full career and be a competitive athlete, and I think that's so awesome.
If you go out and draw something, you're going to see a composition that nature made and turn it into something that is really interesting and cool on paper.
It's not always about going out and having epic powder turns and summits to ski off. Sometimes you're not going to get that, and it's just about enjoying the day itself.
I can tell you till I'm blue in the face all about, but you can put it under your nose and put it in your mouth and it reaches you directly.
It's something that, reaches in and pulls out memories and pulls out emotions that you've stored over your time.
Even if I don't succeed at an objective I'm doing, even if I just get to be outside and do something, it's worthwhile in my book.